never knew you were fond of the rain. I would have taken you out one easy day. Did it ever occur that we were the same? Witness of an awful mistake. You never told me that you walked alone. Never told me you jumped when a car blew its horn. You hurt me like a finger to a thorn. What could I have said? What could I have done? Staring at the rain, what could I have learned? Thinking of blue, thinking of green. You have made a mess and left it up to me. I never knew you were fond of the rain. I would have taken you out one easy day. Smell of the ground on a cold autumn day reminds you of watching time slip away. I wasn't sure you had made up your mind. I wasn't sure that you would see what I find. We're on the same path, but I chose to be kind. I never thought that you'd be stuck behind. What could I have said? What could I have done? Staring at the rain, what could I have learned? Thinking of blue, thinking of green. You have made a mess and left it up to me. I played the game, I tried to read around in circles, thinking you still saw me. I was a mess, and you could tell, but you stood there, watched as I